Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into accounts. Google.com using the Gmail you want to check. Once signed in, go straight to the left menu and choose Personal Info so you don't waste time navigating. You need to verify your identity if prompted. Google asks this for security. Make sure to use a device where you can receive codes, because Google may send one to an existing recovery option. After verification, you'll be able to view or edit phone numbers linked to your account. Once in Personal Info, scroll to Contact Info and click Phone. That's the central place where numbers are listed. You'll see each number, its label Work, Home, Mobile, and whether Google has verified it. That verification matters for account recovery and two-step verification. If you want to remove or update a number, choose Edit and follow prompts. Google will often re-verify any change. Keep in mind why a number is listed, recovery versus two-step, because each serves different security roles. To finish, save any edits and test by using Account Recovery or sending a verification code to the number. This confirms everything works. If you don't see a number you expect, check other Google accounts or devices that might hold recovery info. People often use an old phone or secondary account. If Google prevents changes or you're locked out, use the account recovery flow and provide accurate details. If problems persist, escalate via Google Help options. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.